I just listed this beautiful 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom modern high-rise in the heart of the city, and I'm so excited to show it to you because it has everything that you could possibly need and more. So get your pen and paper ready. Let's start taking notes and let's go check out this beautiful apartment. Welcome to this beautiful 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom modern high-rise located right in the heart of the action. This apartment is truly a sight to behold. The first thing that will catch your eye is the breathtaking view of the entire city. You can see as far as the eye can see from this unit. It is absolutely stunning. The second thing that you will notice is the gleaming hardwood floors throughout the entire apartment. They are simply gorgeous and add a touch of elegance to the entire space. But wait, there's more. As we head further into this apartment, you're going to be blown away by the gourmet kitchen that is waiting for you. You will have all the top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, including a wine fridge, which is always a plus. The kitchen is not only functional, but also stylish with beautiful white cabinets and granite countertops. Whether you're a professional chef or just someone who enjoys cooking, this kitchen is sure to impress. We will continue our tour by heading into the massive living room. This is where you're going to spend most of your time entertaining guests or just relaxing after a long day. The living room is spacious and bright with plenty of natural light pouring in through the large windows. You will never feel cramped in this apartment. And if you look up, you will notice the soaring 10-foot ceilings which add to the sense of grandeur in this already impressive room. We will then head into one of the many bathrooms in this apartment. This one has a double-sink vanity, which is perfect for couples who share the same bathroom. There is also a soaking tub and a separate shower, so you will have the option to take a nice relaxing bath or a quick shower whenever you want. But wait, there's more. This bathroom also has heated floors, which is a luxurious touch that you won't find in many apartments. Now let's head back into the apartment and go down the hallway to the first of 4 bedrooms. This bedroom is located right next to the living room and is currently being used as an office. It is perfect for those who work from home or just need a quiet place to study or read. It is bright and airy with plenty of closet space so you can keep your office supplies organized and out of sight. Next up is the second bedroom. This is a good-sized bedroom with large windows and plenty of closet space. It is perfect for guests or for a roommate who is looking for a little bit of privacy. Now we will head into the third bedroom. This is the master bedroom, and it is truly a sanctuary. You will have a king-size bed and plenty of room for a nightstand and dresser. The master bedroom also has 2 huge walk-in closets, so you will have plenty of space for all of your clothes and accessories. As we continue our tour of the master suite, we will enter into the master bathroom. This bathroom has a double-sink vanity with granite countertops and a huge mirror. You will also find a separate shower and a soaking tub in this bathroom, perfect for those who enjoy a nice, relaxing bath. But wait, there's more. This bathroom also has heated floors and towel racks, adding a touch of luxury to your daily routine. Now, it's time to check out the 4th bedroom. This bedroom is located at the back of the apartment and has its own private bathroom. It is perfect for a roommate who wants their own space or for a family member who needs a little bit of privacy. And speaking of privacy, this bedroom has a frosted glass window which adds a touch of elegance to the room while still providing natural light. As we finish our tour of this beautiful apartment, you will have a chance to see the rooftop deck. This is a shared space for all residents to enjoy and offers stunning views of the city. You can have a barbecue with friends or just relax and soak up the sun. It is the perfect place to unwind after a long day and enjoy the fresh air. But wait, there's more. This building also has a gym and a doorman, so you will have everything that you need right at your fingertips. Let's talk about some of the other features of this apartment. It is located in a prime area in the heart of the city. You will be surrounded by trendy restaurants, shops, and entertainment venues. The apartment is also close to public transportation, making it easy to get around the city without a car. The apartment is available for rent, and the price is negotiable. The landlord is motivated and is willing to work with the right tenant. Here is your second look at the amazing roof deck. Once again, this is a shared space for all residents to enjoy. The views are absolutely stunning, and you will never get tired of them. If you are interested in this apartment, I highly encourage you to schedule a showing as soon as possible. This apartment is sure to go fast. As you can see, this apartment has everything that you could possibly need and more. The city views are absolutely stunning, and the smart home features are sure to impress you. If you're looking for a luxurious and convenient place to call home, then this apartment is for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Don't miss out on this opportunity to live in the lap of luxury. Schedule a showing today. All right, now that you've seen this apartment, it's time for me to ask you a few questions. Leave your answers in the comment section below. First, what did you think of the city views? Did they blow you away, or did you see something that could use a little improvement? Next, what do you think of the gourmet kitchen? Would you enjoy cooking in such a stylish and functional space? Finally, how would you rate this apartment overall? Would you move in tomorrow if you could? Don't hold back. Give me your honest feedback. I value your opinion and I'm excited to hear what you have to say. Thanks for watching.